Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
What's up, guys?
Me and my friend are about to do a walk around of this truck right here. This is the truck that I rode in. Oh, it's my dad. Like he just said, it's a international, very great truck, better than a Freightliner. But yeah, this thing is tall. But yeah, here's the front part of it, of course. Hey Jamie, be careful, right there.
The inside. The interior, Lincoln, Nebraska.
Yeah.
Is where it's from.
Yeah, the truck is from Lincoln, Nebraska, but we're not from Lincoln. This is just Sulphur, Louisiana. Not Sulphur, Mississippi.
Heck of a freaking wheel right there. Look at those.
If this thing pops, you're dead. I'm kidding. Like if you're standing right here, you'd have a broken bone, but yeah, not dead.
It could rip your. That force can blow your hand off.
Look at that. That's diesel. That's diesel residue.
Goodness.
I didn't know it did that. Yeah, here's the back of the truck. Now it's just the side. This is the bunk. That's called a fifth wheel. On the other side, there's something called a kingpin, which that's hard to pull, especially when you're under a trailer. This is the other side. Super tall. That's def. Don't ask about that. You can look it up. More diesel.
Can I take your dad's truck?
It's just making me a video. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, you're a YouTuber?
Mhm. Like less than a month, I made like 5 videos. That's the kingpin right there. This thing right here. I gotta say, the kingpin is hard to pull, especially when you're like this.
Yeah, try and get out from under the trailer.
Mhm. But they do have a kingpin bar. You know, it's just inside that.
Yeah, you left it down on your flatbed. That thing, I know what you're talking about.
I just pull really hard on it myself.
So is Dad. I'm not strong enough for it yet. Hopefully next summer. These are the pigtails. I gotta say, the only time I've ever climbed up here was trying to get this green one, the power, to hook it up to the trailer. So yeah. Oh yeah, we also had a window shatter on us right there. Of course, it got fixed. What happened was a rock flew out the window. We were on like construction road up north, like Idaho up north. And
Hey David, are we allowed to get his license plate number?
I wouldn't show it.
I think I showed it. I showed it and I edited. I'm gonna edit out.
Yeah. But
Sorry about that. I had to communicate with my friends about that. Dude,
yeah.
care that
What
we're
happened
videoing?
was we were in gravel road, and then what happened was
Can I show
a
the
rock
interior?
flew straight out the window.
Your dad.
I already got the interior in my videos.
Yeah, me too.
But well, it shattered the window. It didn't, bust. But then as he was picking up speed to go his top speed, a piece fell out. So he was just knocking it out with his hand so it doesn't fly in. And yeah.
Coming out of the bottom, like this.
So that scared the crap out of us.
Bye.
And well, leave a like, subscribe, please. I need him. I only have 1 subscriber, and that's him, right here. Say hi.
Hey, you better subscribe to him or I'm gonna delete your Fortnite account.
Okay, none of that Mr. Beast crap.
I seriously will. I'm not lying. I seriously will.
But yeah, see you guys later in the next video. Sorry I haven't been uploading in a while. I've just been too lazy. But yeah. Well, see you later. Bye. Leave a like, subscribe. See ya.